Damn. Yeah.
Hey Naturally Glam fam, it's your girl Jana, and in this video I want to share with you guys my spring FabFitFun box. If you guys aren't familiar with the FabFitFun box, the reason why I love this is because I used to have some of those monthly subscription services where, you know, you pay a small price and you would get like a few samples or maybe a couple full-size products, but you would get it every month and it just became overwhelming. It was like too much too frequently before you could even get to use it all up. Why I like the FabFitFun box is that it is seasonal. You can customize it. You can kind of make your selections when you fill out the information to subscribe. You can kind of pick what your preferences are, and then they can kind of cater the box to you and the things that you want or are looking for, versus sometimes some of those other subscription services, they just send you things that you may not even need or may already have a lot of. With this, you can kind of pick, and you have a wider variety to meet. Now, if you sign up for the FabFitFun box and you use my code, you'll get your first box for $47.99. And listen, y'all, I did the math on the value of the items that came in my box. It retailed like $259 versus less than $50 to subscribe to the box. Now let me show you what came in my box. The first thing is my lounge shirt that I am wearing in this video from NYDJ. It's super cute. It's so comfortable. It's perfect for springtime because it's starting to warm up here in Virginia where I live, and so this is perfect for just chilling at the crib. One of the products that came in the box was the Honest mascara, and this actually has the primer. Like, this end is the primer and then this end is the actual mascara. And the other thing was the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. Now, I typically don't wear eyeliner during the day, but if I'm going out in the evening, I definitely would throw some eyeliner on. And listen, if you're a person that likes simple makeup, you just want to look you want to look polished, then always do your eyes. Like, you know, fill your eyebrows in, put a little mascara on or a little eyeliner, and I'm telling you, it can make it look like you have on a full face of makeup. Now, the other thing I was super excited about, because I have whatever condition it is where your lips, the skin of your lips turns frequently. I definitely have that, and now that I'm wearing clear aligners, I find that my lips just get dry sooner. So I was excited about trying the NCLA Beauty Sleep Lip Mask that you wear overnight. It's so good. You put it on your lips. Sometimes I even put it on my son's lips because he has the same issue where our lips kind of get dry overnight. Putting a little bit of this on your lips is perfect. Get these lips ready for the summer. Also, the Pure Greek olive oil body cream, sea salt by Caress. I think I'm saying that right. I love it. It has a very light scent. It does have a scent, but it's not so overpowering that if I put on some type of perfume, it's like fighting, or like then I smell just like too strong. So I love that. And last but not least are these Kate Spade the Emmeline sunglasses. They're like the classic aviator style, which is my favorite sunglass style. I just love that these are so neutral. They could go with pretty much anything, and I'm a sunglass girl. So some people have a lot of shoes, and so I tend to have a lot of sunglasses. So I probably have several pair of aviators, but I'm really loving these. So I'm so glad these came in my box. If you're looking for something like this where you want to be able to experience different products, try different things across several types of things, not just like beauty and skincare products, but also fashion, also fitness, wellness. If you're looking for something like that and you don't want the commitment of signing up for a monthly subscription, definitely check out FabFitFun. It's a great option, and as you can see, you get a lot of quality full-size items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.